Going racing. Tyler, Ryan, Pops, and me. Loaded up. Dezarov's Classics. Tyler Gallup. Falcon Hardscapes, Miller Concrete, Truck Works. Heading to Meridian Speedway. 5,000 to win Saturday night. Oh, don't forget PJ Racing Engines. Locked and loaded, hooking up the trailer right now. Let's go racing, boys. Wow, you're so excited. Let's go racing, boys and girls. Ryan's getting the taillights handled. Tyler's looking fancy in a hat. Pops, wave. At least he waved with all fingers. On the road.